Who else wants to look dashing in these outfits? Make it simple but significant. People will stare. Just make it worthy. Blue is a color of calm, peace and intelligence. It's a go-to color outfits for the media world, for the professional world as well for the sporting industry. Its outfits in blue are cool, relaxing, at the same time shows power and depth. It's a universally light color and it has a wide range of colors starting from sky blue to navy blue. And remember guys, it's the color for Argentina and Italy and they both are champions. You can be champion as well. A basic light wash jeans. They are cool, easy to match. No matter what you're wearing on top, you can pair your jeans with any shirt, t-shirt, sweater, any style aesthetic that you want, and it will look good. Versatility is what you need in your closet. You may buy a good pair of blue jeans from Zara or H&M. Or for instance, you may also opt for brands like Levi's, Spica or Bare Denim. For online shopping, you may opt for HRX or ROM from Myntra. That's it. Let's talk about something crisp, something that is smart, something you can pair with your jeans or smart pants. We are dealing with the blue shirt. It can be dark blue, navy blue or sky blue. You have a lot of options. Especially the dark blue shirt. It shows the class. For shirts, Tabard is a wonderful brand. Luxury style in decent prices. It will cost you around 1500. You see the versatility we are getting here? Something cool for the business casual. It's damn stylish. Hardly I've seen guys carrying this though. But I tried this look and it makes some awesome combination. Can be worn in the corporates as well as the media, sports and so on. A good investment in brands like Zara. They have got some comfortable stretchable polos under the range of $999 to $1799. The striking feature is that this material is awesome. Whenever you want to dress up, if you can give yourself a navy blue pant, you will command a respect. All you need is a tailored pair of navy blue pants. It can be formal, it can be chinos. I got this from Jack & Jones. The material is soft and lovable. It cost me around $3299. Not only are they smart, but they make you look smarter. These floral shirts are way to go. Get one for yourself. I got this comfortable shirt from Max. You may also opt for Big Bazaar. It will cost you around $699 to $799. Don't get something that's too bold or has a bold print or pattern. Something neutral and does not have a massive pattern, and you are good to go. You obviously need t-shirts. In particular, you can choose a navy blue t-shirt. It's versatile. You can pair them up however you want. For the budget side, you wanna go for Jockey, which will cost you around $399. On the higher side, you may go for Zara or H&M, which will cost you around $999. They look great by themselves. You can pair them up with jeans. This is an overshirt or a denim shirt, more versatile than a jacket. These are basics that are better than anything else that you buy. They're amazing. You can wear them by themselves or you can layer them with almost anything. Get a good pair of denim shirt from Zara or H&M. It will cost you around 2799, but they have got some varieties of denim shirts and overshirts. You can just try them out. These two brands in particular have got some crazy clothes. Crew neck sweaters, these are must for winters. They are trending, they look good by themselves. They look good when you layered them. This is just a simple anybody can have. You should get a quality one from H&M. It will cost you around 1299 to 2199. I'm very much fond of this color, turquoise. On the traditional side, you may opt for a desi kurta like this one. Super stylish and made for special occasions. It's time for you to be stylish as well. I got this swag kurta from Manyavar, which cost me around 3k. Just visit the store, they have a lot of options. You will be requiring a traditional shoe for all your traditional wear. For me, I would go for a royal color like blue. As far as the design is concerned, it will go with any outfit. I got this from Manyavar once again with $9.99. Once again, your call to action has to be invest in one cloth at a time. You can easily organize your wardrobe in couple of years. And no matter which profession you deal with, blue is a mandatory color. And never compromise with the quality and the radiancy of the materials and the outfits, and you are good to go.